What's up, YouTube? I haven't made a YouTube video in a while, but welcome to the channel. My new 2024 Surron. We're on it right now. We got a 51%. We're about to do a little ride around, and I'm gonna talk about it. I've already did about 120 miles on it. There's 471 right now. I got it around 350. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you about it. It's been a while since I've done a motovlog or even done a YouTube vlog at all, but I had a Honda Grom recently. I was learning to wheelie that, and then I got this Surron. You feel me? That Tesla, they can't wait, I guess. Silent shit, can't even hear a car. But yeah, so my review on the Surron, super fun bike. I love it because of the off-road capabilities, but fucking the speed is the only thing that's kind of upsetting, because I'm used to super fast. I like a super fast mini bike, you know, a super fast dirt bike. My Honda Grom was pretty slow, but at least it went like 65. And then but yeah, no, this thing is on the streets, that's where it feels slow. I'll definitely be doing some upgrades to try to modify that. I think I'm gonna be upgrading the controller, which is the computer, and then the battery, and then the motor probably. But let me know what I should do to the Surron. Should I keep it? Should I sell it? Should I upgrade it? Like right here, the top speed, I'm gonna go top speed, what? 44. Right now it's hitting 45. So look, just right there it's sitting at 45, which is, you know, 45 is cool. It got to 45 quick, but you know, the speed limit on the streets over here in Mexico, oh look at this Supra. The streets over here in Mexico are you know, 45. People are going 50, 60. Look at that thing. Oh, that's sick. Hey, you saw the Surron. That's right. So let's see, let me get out of the streets so I can talk to y'all and pop some wheelies. Alright, so let me show y'all the bike actually, since I haven't even got off of it, showing y'all. But show y'all the bike. So 2024 Surron. There's not really much you could tell that it is a 2024 bike, besides just it's a newer has a newer battery input. But besides that, nothing much else. Nice little USB charging slot, even though it's an old USB. We use USB-C now. Yeah, here's the bike. I haven't done nothing to it besides I ordered this Amazon ODI plate, which I forgot to put some zip ties on. I just noticed there's holes. And then this light, still the stock light. The guy did put the direct stem mount, which is the only thing he did put. This little thing, I don't know what's the point of that, but it must be better. And besides that, yeah, it's all stock. So what should we do? I do want to change the wheels for wheeling and the street. You know, I do a lot of street riding, but I do like taking this thing off jumps and dirt, and you know, anything I find is fun. But I'm thinking of either doing some supermoto wheel setup, which would be 2 17s or 2 16s, or what I do is a dirt setup, which would be a 16-inch rear with a chunkier tire. So smaller rim, bigger tire, like a dirt bike tire, like I think it's Dunlop MX34 or some crap. And then besides that, the front would leave the same if I did that, or there would be 2 supermotos. But besides that, this is the Surron X controller. We want to change that first. I'm thinking of, you know, upgrading the controller. Then we'll get the 72-volt battery, and then after that's all done, then we'll get the motor once we're pushing too much power. But yeah, so I'm still learning to wheelie it. I'm not really good at all, so don't mind me. My Honda Grom, I had that thing for a good 3-4 months. It was a really fun bike. I do kind of miss it now after owning this thing for about a week. You know, the Honda Grom is a whole different. The Honda Grom is a motorcycle. The Surron is a bike. You know, it's skinny. It's, you know, you could tell from the back. Look how skinny it is. It's not a, you know, even the brake light, like it's on right now, but it just stays on. It doesn't move with the with the brakes. It doesn't flash with the brakes, so for sure need to upgrade that, because I was riding it at night the other day and I was like, what the, I can't even, probably not that visible, so that's not good. But yeah, I'll be watching videos like people hop on them and like, wow, and they just like fucking loop it somehow. I'm like, how? It's not that damn powerful. But let me see. I got a backpack on full of stuff, so it kind of throws off my balance. But oh shit, that's a good little balance point. Whee! These things pick up fast. Like I'm used to, bro. I was used to pushing in the clutch, pulling it in, dropping it in first gear, and lifting up with the Honda Grom. Now it's like a whole different ball game because I don't have a foot brake no more. I just got a freaking finger brake. And I don't know when to use the damn finger brake besides when I'm going too far back. Like I see people doing it while they're wheeling, but it gets up to speed really quick. It's hard to keep it straight too. Jeez. Whee. I already fell one time doing wheelies like that. I fell sideways. I got people watching on the other side. Whee. But yeah, I guess that's what it takes, guys, to learn how to wheelie. It's a lot of practice. People don't really show you this part, I guess, of them sucking ass. But shit, I'll never learn how to wheelie no. I've been trying to learn how to wheelie fucking mopeds, Groms, Surrons, dirt bikes. I shit on all of them. Back to the street, I guess, because this little trail's over. But yeah, I'm just cruising around right now. Damn, where's the thing to jump up? Oh shit, police. Hopefully they don't pull over. There's a cop coming up. Just smile and wave. Smile and wave. Whew. Hot out here for a pimp. Put the sun visor on. He wasn't even looking. Or was he? I got another trail I'm about to take right there across the street. Fuck it. So yeah, once I upgrade this thing, maybe I'll be down for this. Well, I do take it on the streets here in Mexico a little bit, but it's just not that comfy. You know, like on a main street like this, that's a little faster. It's not as comfy. So if I had once I got 72 volts on this bitch, then boom. Once we get 72 volts, we're gonna be on the streets, on the freeway, motherfucking everywhere with the shit. So quiet. Oh, they're down. I hear them working over there. Let me see. Maybe I should try to pop a wheelie with one foot down. Like, I don't know, I'm gonna hurt my leg on that fucking foot pedal. But I'll try it since the YouTube video said to. No, I don't know. It sounds like a bad idea. Oh, yeah, a little better. Slower speed wheelie. I'm trying to. Oh shit, nigga scared me. Fucking dog. Fucking dog. That wasn't even a scary dog. Let's see. One foot down. So I'm trying to get the balance point. A little better. You want to like just drag your foot. Helps a little bit, I guess, guys. you just put 1 foot down. Some people put 2 feet down too, but I need a little bit of 1 foot on there at least. Somebody's sleeping right there. I'm doing like a power wheelie though, compared to like what I was doing with my foot down. Whee! But yeah, let me know what y'all want to see with the Surron. Where should we ride at? What should we do to it? What should we do with it? We gotta go ride with the motherfucker Surronster, bro. Now we on that e-bike gang. E-bike gang. So yeah, let me know where we should go. I'm gonna keep riding, popping some more wheelies and practicing. Hopefully soon in the next videos y'all see, we'll be riding down the whole wheelie down this whole block. I might get a new GoPro. I might get a new GoPro or Insta360 camera for the YouTube channel, because I'm still using my old GoPro from back in the day, Hero 4. But you know me, I'd rather spend money on the bike instead of on the camera. But if it's bad quality, then we're gonna have to. But if it's good, then fuck it. Then we'll just leave it, and then we'll just get like an Insta360 for different angles. Ooh, that was a good one. Good pop up. Ooh. Alright, I'll see y'all. That's the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed a little ride on the Surron today.